What
A
sentence are you trying
glock
to form?
cock with a glock cock with a clock in it. Oh my god,
Huh?
my brain is not working.
No, 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 no. It's a cock with a Glock looking at a clock. Can you just imagine a penis just holding a Glock?
What?
God, that's scary. You just wake
Say
up.
hello to my little friend.
Yeah, say hello to my little friend.
Stop it. Get some help.
Like just imagine like you wake up like a few days, you know, you guys like wake up like you guys get morning wood, right?
Morning AR-15.
A prehensile penis.
I thought, oh, I forgot. Fuck, I forgot he was here. Shit.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's the king of being able to take everything we say and make it so much better.